Welcome to the fourth online tutorial. Let's see how Facebook can be used on project cycle management. Facebook has a vast number of users today, making it one of the most popular social media tools amongst all ages. It is free, very easy to use, and it can function as a local, national or international online community. Due to its accessibility to a wide range of people, it has become very popular not only for its social aspect, but also for disseminating, promoting and making public whatever concerns anyone's work and products, while it can be used as a synchronous and asynchronous way of communication between members of a project. Facebook can be a great networking tool in the case of managing projects. You can publish information about projects, invite interested people to take part, make regular updates according to the stages of a project, exchange files and all kinds of visual or sound material, disseminate results and outputs, create pages, groups and events, take analytics, etc. Facebook allows organizations to connect with people and share information about a project through customized pages. By liking a page, people can get automatic updates in their newsfeed, such as posts, newsletters, photos or videos. You can manage separate pages for each one of your projects. To create a page, click Pages, then Create Page, choose a page category, fill out the required information, click Get Started and follow the on-screen instructions. Start adding members and posting information. In each of the pages you manage, you can set different groups. Groups provide a space to communicate about shared interests with certain people. In the case of a project, certain groups stay connected and interact throughout the process of a project's completion. To create a group, click Groups, enter your group name, add group members, and then choose the privacy setting for your group. Click Create. Once you create your group, you can personalize it by uploading a cover photo and adding a description. You can also use Facebook to promote events. Events let you organize and respond to gatherings in the real world with people on Facebook. For a project, a multiplier event could be the case. To create a private or public event, click Events, then Create Event, click to choose between a private or public event, fill in the event name as well as details, location and time. Click Create. Likes can be an indication of the popularity of your project, but you can take analytics for your page's performance through Facebook Insights. Facebook Insights is a pretty powerful tool for those wanting to track user interaction on their Facebook fan page. It can be seen by all the admins of your page, and it can help you to better understand your page's performance, keep track of its effectiveness, and track the number of active users and their engagement. To find the engagement rates of your page, click Insights at the top of your page and scroll down to view information about posts, clicks, reactions, comments and shares. Additionally, if you notice that a certain post is doing well, you have the option to increase engagement even more by clicking on Boost to pay for a promoted post. For more detailed information about making the most of Facebook, you can visit Facebook's Help Center. Thank you for watching us. Follow the project on www.generativity.eu.